Hey, sea eaters, it's me. Sharing my lunch. So I got a leftover salad from Outback, and I mixed in some kimchi with it. With some crumbled bacon, ranch dressing. And it's not bad. For those of you who don't know what kimchi is, it's fermented cabbage. You can also make it from with cucumbers. Kind of has like a pickled flavor to it. Cucumbers, lettuce, some of the lettuce is wilting. It's still very crunchy. And not bad. So kimchi kind of adds like a bite to it, kind of like a jalapeno would to a salad. Not bad. Hey, sea eater. So this is my lunch for today. I've got kimchi right here. That's kind of like the brownish particles that you see here. Salad, I got cheese, I got cut up cucumbers, I got bacon bits in here, and ranch dressing. So it's not bad. For those of you who don't know, kimchi is a unique and traditional fermented food of Korea. You can make it with fermented cabbage or cucumbers. I've had cucumber kimchi as well. I really like that. So not sure if you can hear me chewing or not. Nice little band-aid on my finger. That's to keep my acrylic or dip or whatever, it's grown out significantly, as you can see. I need to soak and get this off, so I have a new band-aid on my nail. Still ate my lunch. As you can see, I'm eating a significant amount. This is not bad. I would encourage you to try some kimchi. This is what the container looks like. Now, you don't have to get that brand. I'm quite sure there are all other brands. But, and this was mild. As you can see, I got the mild. And see, it says vegan Napa cabbage. So, and you can get the spicy. I didn't get the spicy because my mom wanted to try it. And, she doesn't really like spicy food. So, yeah. So, excuse the smacking, but this is really good. I've seen a recipe for kimchi fried rice, so that's something that I need to try as well. But, so I'm not sure if you could see, this is the cut up cucumber. And see the bacon bit? So I'm going to try to get the crumbled bacon. Ooh. You can see the bacon. Pretty good. Oh, and there's a piece of cucumber on there too. So, thank you so much for joining. Please, I want to invite you to subscribe, comment, share, and like. And, yeah, I'm open to the comments, so comment away. Let me know if you tried kimchi before, or if you like to try kimchi. Do you like the spicy? Do you like the mild? Let me know. Have an awesome evening, afternoon, morning, whatever time it is in your area. Bye-bye.